We've all been there. The dreaded forehead line or a Durag that slips off in the middle of the night, leaving your 360 waves unprotected. It's frustrating, but there's a pro Durag method that keeps compression locked in all night. No pain, no slip, just the consistent pressure you need for perfect spinning waves. Today, I'm showing you the exact Durag tutorial that will transform your wave game. Get ready to ditch the forehead creases and wake up with a perfectly laid crown. First, your Durag itself. Your best bet for elite waves is a silky polyester or velvet Durag. They glide over your hair, minimizing friction and breakage while delivering that even compression needed for your 360 wave journey. Avoid cotton Durags at all costs. They suck moisture from your hair, and the rough texture works against your progress. Also, make sure the seam always faces out. This simple trick prevents that annoying line from being engraved on your forehead. A small detail that makes a big difference is to place the label at the back, which helps you align it perfectly every time. Now let's get the positioning right. The key is to center the Durag right between your eyebrows and your hairline. If it's too high, you risk leaving the front of your waves uncompressed, too low, and it just looks sloppy and can reduce pressure on your crown. Your ear tabs should be parallel to the floor, ensuring the Durag sits evenly for balanced pressure. This initial placement is a critical step for your Durag to work effectively. Here's a step where many wavers go wrong. Bring both ties to the back of your head and cross them. Don't twist them up. Cross right over left or left over right, but be consistent. Bring them back around to the front just above your ears and pause. The tension should feel completely even on both sides. If one side feels tighter, it means you'll get uneven compression and lopsided waves. We're aiming for symmetry, so adjust it until it feels right. Alright, real quick, if these tips are already helping you lock in your method, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We're dedicated to helping you get the best waves of your life, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's get to the part that will change everything. This is the game-changing secret to avoid the forehead line. Before you tie the knot, slide a finger under the front band where it meets your forehead and push up just slightly. This creates a tiny micro loop that relieves pressure on your skin without sacrificing any compression on your hair. Now, for the knot, always tie it on the crown of your head, never at the back of your neck. A knot at the back can ride up, cause irritation, and even lead to hair loss around your kitchen. It's time to lock it all down. Tie a simple square knot on your crown, not a granny knot. It should feel firm, like a gentle hug, not a headache-inducing squeeze. If your head is throbbing, it's way too tight. The goal is compression, not constriction. Now, for the flap. Fold it neatly underneath the knot. A proper tuck keeps everything smooth and secure. A quick way to test it is to give your head a gentle shake. If nothing flaps or shifts, you've nailed the Durag method and your waves are locked in for the night. For those times you're wolfing, you might need extra compression to deepen your wave pattern. This is where a thin wave cap becomes your secret weapon for getting 360 waves fast. Wear the cap first to hold the hair down, then tie your Durag over it. This gives you double compression, which is perfect for laying down stubborn hairs. When morning comes, take it off slowly. Ripping it off can lift your hair and undo your progress. So let's do a quick recap. A quality silky Durag, perfect placement, cross ties, the forehead saver loop, a crown knot, and a secure tuck. This is the pro formula. For an extra boost during your wolfing sessions, add a wave cap. Your night routine is just as important. A good brush session and a light moisturizer are key before you rag up, and a satin pillowcase offers extra protection if your Durag shifts. Remember, waves are sculpted while you sleep. Tie it like a pro tonight and you'll wake up spinning tomorrow. If this Durag tutorial was helpful, smash that like button. Got a wave hack of your own? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another tip on your 360 wave journey.